Yeah, I'll go ahead and show you what the Save Club funnel looks like, the $25 one, okay? So let me go ahead and shrink up my screen here real quick. Now, saveclubfunnels.com, you see the link right here below? All right, saveclubfunnels with an S.com. And I'll go ahead and just type it on my screen. Okay, let's just go saveclubfunnels.com. Okay, now everything you're seeing on your screen, you're going to get. All right, 25 bucks. This seems to work. What I do is I invite people to this page right here. You put your email address. Let's put letsallrock@gmail.com. There we go. Now you can switch this boat picture. You can switch this yellow button to pink if you want. You can change any of this website page. It's called a funnel. It seems to work, so I leave it alone. Okay, now, saveclubfunnels.com. Enter your email address, hit the yellow button. Now, it goes to this page. This is why I'm so successful signing up people. This video is 20 minutes long, and it goes into a lot more detail, explaining the situation of, you want to be a member, all right? Do you want to be an affiliate? Okay, you got 60 bucks, you're an affiliate, but you have to do things that an affiliate needs to do in order to get people to sign up, okay? It explains everything. It shows how to take your phone to like a restaurant, for example. Show your cell phone screen to the person you're paying and get the deal. How to log online, like flights, hotel, how to order a Lyft, a ride to the airport, how to get SiriusXM, how to save at Discount Tire, how to just go to Burger King and get 2 Whoppers for the price of 1. Okay, this video, when you press play, and you can watch it on your own time, I love it because for 20 minutes, it does all the explaining for you. Okay, now, if you want to join after watching the video, you can hit this button here, Join Save Club, and it'll go right to you, right to your profile where they're going to sign up underneath you. And if they already have signed up in Save Club, but people are stuck, and that's like 75% of my signups with the funnel, people have already joined Save Club, but they didn't join a team. They just joined a person and they kind of disappear. Okay, get the new funnel, 25 bucks, click it, and guess what? I'm gonna go ahead and see your order. And like I said, watch that video several times if you need to. And then for the 25 bucks, you can click the button and Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express. Okay, you're going to get instructions, a little video, how to set it up. I'm going to also email you a direct link how to set it up because some people they need to have their hand held. I hate to admit it. So I'm going to send you an email exactly how to set it up. Okay, it's super easy. Then you're going to get team training. You're going to get a ton of pictures and a ton of video. It's already made, guys. All right, today's June 7th of 2025. We already have over 1,000 pictures and hundreds of videos to where you can upload them now. They're short videos, 5, 10, 15-second ones. We have webinars you can use where people can sit back for 15 minutes. Some of our webinars are 60 minutes. And, like a Zoom meeting. And they're simple. And you can pause them, go to the bathroom, come back later. If you have public transportation, you can just sit there with maybe a little earphone on and watch these webinars or Zoom meetings and make a decision. Do you want to join? And if you do, then great. We're going to show you where to get all the training so you know exactly what to do every day from the first hour you join to getting a nice routine every day where you just post. Invite people to a link. That's all you're going to be doing. The deals are just, I think we have 75,000 deals already the first month, but we're going to be in every city, every state, and every country. Okay, we're not at that level yet because we're only a month and a half old. So just give us some time and we'll get there. So if you're in Asia right now or Africa or anywhere from the UK, you need to join now as an affiliate so you can start signing up a lot of people, cities, states, and countries. This is just my opinion, disclaimer, but the bigger money in any opportunity is when you go crazy like Save Club, signing up thousands a day, and they can only sign up underneath affiliates like me or you. All right? Because most people are going to sign up to save money, and that's fine. But you can only sign up in Save Club under an affiliate. That's why he or she who signs up in the beginning of this has a better chance of catching those big old fishies. Okay? So relax, do your research, But I highly recommend that you go to both of these links. And if you join me, I'm going to highly encourage you to copy what I do. I copy what other people do. It seems to work. It brings success. It brings signups. It brings money. Because earning money and saving money, that is what Save Club, that's kind of mission accomplished. All right, that's the touchdown. That's the end all be all. Let's save you money on things you're already buying, and let's save you a lot of money so that you can afford to go on trips or fix your tooth or fix the brakes on your car, maybe buy some new clothes. There's a lot of cool things out there to spend money on. And yes, we are worldwide. Every day, there's not a day that goes by that I don't get an email. Are we in this country yet? Are we in this city? Okay, just be patient. But if you're an affiliate, you need to go and join now. Okay, go to joinsaveclub.org, or if you've already joined Save Club, and even if you haven't, still go to saveclubfunnels.com and see why I'm successful and it puts me in the top 10. Okay, that's all I can do is show you exactly what I do, and it's up to you if you think you can do it, if you think you can afford it, and in my opinion, I think you can. This is a super, super well-designed, well-organized. The training is second to none, but yes, it's affordable, and I think that's why I go to bed at night and sleep pretty good. $20 a month to be a member, $60 the next year, guys. $60, that's it. You got your own website, capture page, customer service, tens of thousands of deals. And over the next year or two, there's going to be millions worldwide. Okay? All right, that's it. You can see on my business cards, Cory at CoryDraper.com. Go ahead and email me if I can help you out. And join saveclub.org, Save Club Funnels. Just remember the S after funnels. And that's it, guys. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, peace and love. I appreciate your time. And contact me if I can help you out, okay? All right, take care, guys. We'll talk to you next video. Bye.